apps that you need to start your YouTube journey. Join me as we learn together. Hey, hello loved ones, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Winnie and you're going to fall in love with this community, okay? So if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, tell your friends, share with them this video, and let's grow together. So let's get started. As a YouTuber, there are few things that you need for you to take your content to the next level, okay? These are just a few apps that you need, and they are completely free. I'm going to tell you about their free version. I'm not presenting to you anything that you'll have to pay because you're starting out and you don't have that money to waste while starting out, okay? You just need free apps that we can use. And a few of these apps have the payment option, but they do not prevent you from using the free version if you've not paid. See, that's good news. You want to learn more about them? Number one is you need editing apps. There are a few of these that are free and you can use. I'm going to start by CapCut. There's Filmora, there is KineMaster, there is Power Director. So me, I mostly use InShot and CapCut. Those are the ones that I use mostly. If you've not watched my video on how I edit with one of them, I'm going to link it up here so that you can go watch it, right? The other one we're going to use, okay, is an app to create your thumbnails, to create your banners, to create your thumbnails, your banners, your thumbnails, your banners, and your intros and extras. Okay, you can still use the editing apps to create your intros and the extras, but there's an app that you can use for free to create them. That's called Canva. This is my favorite app. Yani, you cannot shake me out of this app. I feel like you cannot shake me unless someone comes and introduces me to another better app than Canva. Canva is on top there. And again, this video is not sponsored. It's not sponsored. I'm just advertising them because it is a great app for creators like us to use for free. Another app you can use is Snapseed. I used to use Snapseed before I realized Canva. I'm not saying Snapseed is bad, but you can use Snapseed as well. I've used it a few times and it's great. You can use it too. And then number 3, it's YouTube Studio. This is an app that YouTube has provided for us creators, for you to check your analytics, to check things that work for you so that you can change the kind of route you're going with your content. You can use it to edit your titles, your video titles, the ones that you've already uploaded on YouTube. You can use it to do what again? Yeah, edit your thumbnails. If you'd uploaded a thumbnail that you did not want, you can use this app to remove that thumbnail and put in another one. Here is where also you can answer comments to your fans in the comment section. You can answer your comments, you can like their comments. This is where you can do your interactions with your viewers here, right? The other one is the TubeBuddy. I like this app because one, it helps me see my subscriber count. I can see if you, let's say for example, it's I can see the number of people who have unsubscribed or subscribed, like in a few minutes or hours. Then I can see my view count. I can see my view count, like who has viewed my videos since I visited the app. You can see, you can keep track of your milestones, and I like this feature that I have on TubeBuddy. So when you reach a certain milestone, they give you a small certificate with your name on it, your YouTube name on it, and like a milestone written there. So you can use this to upload on your social media platforms and brag about it, right? I do that sometimes. So when I have reached a milestone, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here. Yeah. So when you've reached a milestone, like you've reached your 450, they tell you congratulations, you've reached your 450 subscribers. You can download that image, that certificate, and upload it on your social media platforms. And then it also the thing about TubeBuddy that I like is that it keeps you motivated on creating content, because it's different from YouTube Studio. Unless, I don't know if YouTube Studio has that kind of feature, but no, I have not seen, because I'm using TubeBuddy. So if you log into your YouTube Studio, it does not show you the two people who have viewed your videos. Okay, the additional amount of views that you've gotten from the last time you watched your videos. You looked at the viewer count. Am I making sense? Okay, I hope it does. I guess that's it. Imagine that's it. You're editing videos. You're editing your videos up. You're editing your videos, the ones that you can use to edit your videos while on the platform already, like the TubeBuddy. I mean the YouTube Studio and the TubeBuddy for tracking your viewers count. So that's it. Bye for now. Thank you for watching. If you have friends who have not yet subscribed to this channel, what kind of friend are you? Why are you so mean? Why are you not sharing information? Yes, share with them this video and tell them to subscribe so that they don't be left out on my next videos. So bye for now. Nawapenda, nawalomba tu, and please come back and watch more videos. Let's get to 500 subscribers or 1,000. Bye. Nawapenda.